Hello and welcome to the second part of this celebration of the last major steam railway in the world, which after 10 glorious years finished with regular steam traction in December 2005. In this part of the programme, we'll be featuring in more detail Daban Shed, by Key, and of course the fabulous Jingpeng Pass itself. Just like visiting any steam loco depot, it was always a matter of pot luck as to how many engines would actually be on Daban Shed. As early as 1998, the management at Daban recognised the attraction of the depot to railfans, and visits could be arranged for a fee of 200 yuan per person, about £13.